In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Monday.com in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Monday.com or a seasoned user, following these steps will help you streamline your task management process quickly and efficiently. To begin, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the login option. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you prefer a quicker method, simply click on Sign in with Google. This feature allows you to conveniently use your Google account, streamlining the entire process. For those opting to sign in with Google, you'll next see a list of your Google accounts. Find and select the email address associated with your Monday.com account. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected back to Monday.com, where you're now logged in and ready to get started. Now navigate to the upper right corner once again. This time look for a dotted square icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Direct your cursor towards Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you can find and add additional apps that enhance Monday.com's functionality. Inside the Marketplace, you'll see a search box. Type in checklist and press enter. Among the search results, find and click on Checklist for Monday. This app will be an essential tool for creating and managing your checklists seamlessly. Next, you'll be brought to an installation page. Here, spot the Install App button and give it a click. It's important to carefully review any necessary options or permissions during this step. After ensuring everything is set up correctly, go ahead and click on Install. Once the app is installed, you'll need to decide where you want to use it. Click on the drop-down menu and choose a workspace and a board that suits your needs. With your board selected, click to open it. Finally, one last step remains. Find and click on Add App. A few moments later, you'll notice that a new checklist board has been added to your chosen workspace. Congratulations, you've now successfully created a checklist on Monday.com, and there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to create and manage checklists, making your projects and personal tasks more organized than ever before. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more insights on optimizing your productivity tools. Happy organizing!